Hey folks, happy Friday. Come with us as we discover facts about the moon. Watch to the end to find out where the term mooning came from. For thousands of years, humankind has stared at the night sky in awe of the stars and the moon. In human culture, the moon has many meanings, from the moon god to a symbol of peace and prosperity. Without the moon, there would be no full moon parties and no romantic moonlit dinners. It's hard to imagine a life without the moon. On the 7th of December 1972, Neil Armstrong was the first man to step foot onto the giant rock in the sky that we call the moon. Did you know that the moon is actually not quite round? It's more of an egg shape, really. The bulging egg-shaped moon is pointing its larger side facing the Earth. While the moon is a dusty and rocky wasteland, the surface of the moon has not been left untainted. It is estimated that astronauts visiting the moon have left more than 181 tons of human rubbish on the moon. This includes moon ranges, lunar probes, camera equipment, and human sewage. Ew! I'm sure you've heard that the moon is responsible for the tides that we have here on the Earth. The gentle yet consistent gravity of the orbiting rock pulls the oceans from one side of the planet to another, creating the tides. In addition to giving us tides and nice waves, the moon helps with the Earth's tilted rotation and orbit around the sun. Things on Earth would start to look grim very quickly without our local friendly moon. If humans do decide to establish a permanent moon base, heating and cooling will certainly be a factor. The temperature on the moon can swing drastically from over 120 degrees Celsius to negative 170. Brr, that's a bit cold. The ancient Greeks worshipped three goddesses of the moon: Artemis, Selene, and Hecate. These three divine ladies represented the different cycles of the moon. When the moon is closest to the Earth, it appears up to 15% larger. This phenomenon is commonly referred to as a supermoon. A red blood moon can occur when the moon is in a total lunar eclipse. This red moon can be a sight to behold. Some religious folks believe that the blood moon is a sign of the beginning of the end of time. During this eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun. Total solar eclipses are a rare treat for your moon viewing pleasure. You may have heard that the act of removing one's trousers and bending over for amusement is referred to as mooning. It is thought that the term mooning is derived from slang in the 1960s. At this time, it was inferred that the bare buttocks of a human was similar in shape and size to the full moon. The act of mooning has been around for much longer, however, and is cited in medieval historical writings. One such famous instance was a group of soldiers during the Crusades of 1203 AD, when this band of merry mooners bared their buttocks as the ultimate insult to their enemies. I'm sure they were very disturbed. I hope you enjoyed watching these fun facts about the moon. Like and subscribe to the channel for more fun videos.